Today, I'd like to answer the multi-million-dollar question. How do you measure the success of digital marketing? When it comes to digital marketing, there is so many components. It isn't just one funnel or one strategy that works for everyone. It really requires a custom strategy. All these gurus that's selling you on these courses and concepts and blueprints, there's no truth in it. I think there's no quick fix solution. You truly have to understand how, as an organization, you want to measure your KPI, which is key performance indicator. Are we trying to engage an audience? Are we trying to grow fans? Or what are you trying to accomplish? People buy brands. People work with brands. People are looking for authentic relationships. And that's what digital marketing is being able to amplify our message at a much quicker rate than 10 years ago. This is the best time to be able to amplify our message at the lowest cost. And actually, we're at the tail of it. The landscape of marketing is changing. Brands need to start focusing on building their brand. And what does it mean by building their brand? It's measuring your ROI based on the value you're delivering. A lot of times, if we focus on generating leads, people are focusing on that quick gratification. But you aren't getting loyal customers. They're looking for the next cheapest thing or the next giveaway. What you want is build a brand that people want to be loyal to, that people feel you're delivering a lot of value. Let them choose you and let them choose to work with you. And honestly, if you're getting into digital, look at it as a long game and be prepared to invest day in and day out. Have a budget set aside. And I guarantee you, if you do this for the long run, at the end of the day, 10 years down the road, you're going to thank J29 Creative Group.